welcome to our product presentation. Maybe isa ka sa mga tao na nakakita ng post namin tungkol sa barley or isa ka sa mga tao na gustong simulan yung healthy living journey mo. Either way, perfect timing to para ma-share ko sa iyo kung paano ka matutulungan ng mga products para mas maging healthy at energize ang daily life mo. Before I start, allow me to formally introduce myself. I am Princess T. Rivera. I'm the Chief Product Specialist of Prime Legacy, and also I am a nursing degree holder. Now, do you believe that health is wealth? Bago natin sagutin yan, meron ako ipapakita sa inyo na picture na kung saan ito ay mga nakahiligan na ng marami at hindi na natin naiiwasan sa araw-araw. But did you know na unti-unting sinisira ng lifestyle na to ang katawan natin because of the free radicals. Free radicals, these are unpaired molecules sa katawan natin na kapag na-trigger, ay automatic inaatake niya yung cells natin, sinisira, kaya tayo nagkakasakit at madaling mahawaan. But did you know that our body is very powerful? Our body has the capacity and ability to heal itself if and only if, according to WHO, para makonsider po natin na healthy yung katawan natin, we need to eat 5 different kinds of fruits and vegetables daily, do 30 minutes of exercise daily, drink 8 glasses of water a day, get 6 to 8 hours of sleep daily, and have 2 to 3 bowel movement daily. Meaning, marami po sa atin na hindi po nagagawa or nasusundan ito. But good thing because we have supplements, powerful supplements na nagsusupply ng mga nutrients na kulang sa katawan natin. Good thing because we have amazing pure organic barley that boosts our immune system, helps detoxify the body, improves digestion and gut health, increases energy and stamina. This is good for people na mataas ang sugar level na gustong i-control, and also cholesterol level. Promotes glowing skin and better complexion, and also it helps in weight management and balances the body's pH level. Ang barley po ay maganda sa katawan natin, lalong-lalo na sa mga acidic na mga tao. So ano bang ginagawa ng barley sa katawan natin? Unang-una, kini-cleanse po niya. Nililinis po ng barley ang katawan natin. Iniipon niya po yung mga toxins, yung matagal nang nakastock sa katawan natin. And next one is detoxification, which is tinatanggal po yung lahat ng toxin sa katawan natin through our pupo, through our urine, through our sweat. Okay? So kapag ka nag-take ka ng barley po, automatic mapapansin mo na pinagpapawisan ka, umiihi ka, or nagbabawas ka because that's the good thing about barley. Kasi dun mo malalaman na nag-work yung barley sa katawan mo. Okay? Next is nutrients assimilation. Since malinis na yung katawan natin, nagdi-distribute na ngayon sa katawan natin para ma-absorb at magkaroon ng cell regeneration. Meaning po, yung mga nasira na mga cells, nire-repair niya. At nagkakaroon po siya, okay, nagre-release po siya ng mga panibagong cells, kaya po nagkakaroon tayo ng mga glowing effect po kapag nagtitake ka ng barley. Now, this one naman is capsule. If ikaw po ay hindi mahilig magtimpla, gusto mo agad-agad tinitake, so we do have capsule form. And good thing because this capsule form is made of vegetables po siya. And also it helps boost immune system, support digestion, natural detox, helps increase energy level, and this is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant. Okay, so next one, we do have barley gummies para sa mga kids. Okay, para maging healthy din po sila. We do have barley gummy. This is chewable supplements made from young barley grass. So, if hindi po nila ma-take yung taste po ng powder natin or hindi pa sila kayang uminom ng capsule form, pwedeng-pwede po yung gummy form sa kanila. Okay? Next one, we also have barley toothpaste. This is good for people na may gingivitis or madaling dumugo yung kanilang gums whenever they brush their teeth. Ayan, natural antibacterial protection po from bee propolis. Ayan, and also it cleans, nagbibigay po siya ng fresh breath all day long. Also, we do have Choco Barley. Ito po ay love na love ng mga kids at young at heart. Ayan, it also boosts the immune system, increases energy naturally, enhances focus, brain function, promotes heart health, ayan, and aids digestion and detoxification. Kid-friendly nutrition supports overall wellness. Ito po ay maganda na pang-replace mo sa mga commercialized na mga choco drink, lalong-lalo na sa mga kids, because this is very healthy kasi meron siyang tinatawag na barley. Ayan, and also made in stevia po siya. So yung sweetener niya is natural. We also have acai berry extract. Ito ay maganda para sa mga tao na gustong maging looking young because it helps slow down signs of aging, supports a strong immune system, promotes radiant, youthful skin because of the collagen. Ayan, boost energy and metabolism, aids in detoxification, helps maintain heart and brain health because acai berry, meron po siyang tinatawag na Bacopa monnieri, which is good for the brain. Brain enhancer po usually ang Bacopa monnieri. It sharpen our mind, diba? Good for people na magte-take ng board exam. Ayan. And collagen. Meron po siyang collagen na good for our hair, teeth, diba? Sa bones natin, sa skin. So, acai berry is a powerful antioxidant na fruit. Ayan. And also, we have grape juice. Our grape juice is tumutulong po na mag-manage ng weight. Okay, sa mga tao na gustong maging slim or maging sexy, we do have grape juice. Ang good news niyan because ingredient na ginagamit niya is Garcinia cambogia. It's a fruit, a powerful fruit na tumutulong para mag-trim down. Okay? So, rich in antioxidants, boost energy and metabolism, supports heart health, enhances digestion, and strengthen immunity. What I love about grape juice kasi ang Garcinia cambogia is a fruit na kung saan ang function niya kapag kumain tayo ay instead of fat ang kino-convert, 'di ba? Kino-convert niya into energy para magkaroon tayo ng energy all day long. At the same time, 'di ba, sinosuppress niya yung appetite natin. That's why meron tayong feeling of fullness. Kahit na konti lang yung kinain natin, nafe-feel natin na busog na tayo. So, nalilesen po ang cravings natin sa araw-araw. Okay? Next one, immunergy. This is our vitamin C. It supports overall immunity, helps fight off common colds and infection, promotes energy and reduces fatigue, rich in antioxidants to combat free radicals, and support general wellness. So, ang immunergy po namin ay, ang ingredient niya is ang moringa. Ayan, moringa or malunggay. So, malunggay is known for antioxidants. So, sobrang nakakatulong to lalo na sa panahon ngayon na marami po ang mga sakit. Okay? Maraming nagkakasakit. So, it helps na ma-protect tayo para hindi tayo magkasakit at madaling mahawaan. Now, next one, the Amazing White. It brightens and even skin tone. So, lahat ng mga tao na gustong gumanda yung skin nila, ito po ay para sa inyo. It reduces dark spots and pigmentation. It also supports stronger and healthier hair because of the collagen, the glutathione, and also helps detoxify liver and cells, slows down signs of aging, promotes healthy glowing skin from within, and provides antioxidant. Did you know that glutathione Hindi po siya pampaputi lang, but it helps detoxify our liver. Okay? And also, nalilesen po yung pigmentation natin. So, if may mga spots ka sa katawan mo na medyo maitim-itim, Amazing White is perfect para sa'yo. Okay? Para maging porcelana skin tayo. Okay? Now, sa mga mahilig pong magkape, we do have amazing coffee na mix with barley po. So, meaning po, nagkakape ka na healthy. Okay? We do have cafe latte, cafe mocha, coffee mix with glutathione, coffee mix with tongkat ali, and sa mga gustong meron talagang malakas na sipa sa kape, we do have black coffee. Ito ay brewed po. Ayan. And also mixed with organic barley. And isa sa pinaka-love ko ay ang cafe macchiato. Isa to sa mga saleable talaga because slimming coffee po siya. Ayan. And napakagaan po ng sa tiyan po nito. And meron po siyang tinatawag na Garcinia cambogia din na ingredient. Meron din po siyang glutathione. And meron po siyang L-carnitine which is known for trimming down or watching na gusto mo din na magpa-slim, okay? Gusto mo yung kape mo, nagpapa-slim sa'yo, go for Cafe Macchiato. Ayan. So, these are our products na kung saan ay magsiswitch ka lang. You know, our products is very healthy and itong mga products na to ay hindi basta-basta. They are endorsed by mga kilalang celebrity sa Pilipinas at international. So meaning, okay, ang ating products ay sobrang ganda, dekalidad, di ba? And syempre, healthy living is a choice. At kung may produkto tayong nakakatulong sa health, bakit hindi mo gawing opportunity? Because kung may magandang produkto tayo, may magandang negosyo. Kaya balikan mo yung tao na nag-share sa iyo ng video na to at hingin mo ang link para malaman mo kung paano kumita sa online. And our marketing plan is presented by our Director of Business Training and Development of Prime Legacy, our very own mentor, Eman Rivera.